Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a job application for a prison guard position. This type of letter is a formal way to present your qualifications, background, and readiness for a highly responsible role inside a correctional facility. A job application letter like this gives employers a clear picture of who you are, the experience you bring, and why you're a strong fit for their team. So in this narration, I'll walk you through each part of the sample letter, explain what every sentence is doing, and help you understand how to write your own version confidently and professionally. Let's begin with the top section of the letter, where we place the applicant's personal details. In the sample, we have Henry Caldwell, 912 Ridgecrest Avenue, Boise, ID 83704. Email henry.caldwell@email.com. Phone 208-734-9182. This part is extremely important because it shows the employer exactly who is writing and how to reach them. When you include your full address, your email, and your phone number, you make communication quick and easy. It also shows that you are organized and professional. Always double-check that this information is correct, because any small typo could cause a missed opportunity. Next, we move to the date, October 15th, 2026. Including the date helps document when you submitted the letter and keeps your application aligned with the hiring timeline. Employers often use dates to track applicants, so always include it. After the date, we list the employer's information. In this example, it is Hiring Manager, Idaho State Correctional Center, 12,800 South Pleasant Valley Road, Kuna, ID 83634. This section shows that you are directing the letter to the correct organization and that you've taken the time to personalize it. Employers appreciate seeing their name, their facility, and their address presented accurately. It shows respect and attention to detail, qualities that are especially important in a correctional environment. Then we have the subject line. Subject: Application for prison guard position. A clear subject line helps the hiring manager instantly understand what the letter is about. This is especially useful in workplaces where many applications come in every week. It makes your letter easy to categorize. Now we reach the salutation, an important part of every professional letter. Dear Hiring Manager, this greeting sets the tone for the entire message. Using a respectful salutation shows courtesy and professionalism. If you happen to know the hiring manager's name, you can include it. But Dear Hiring Manager is completely acceptable when applying to large organizations. Now let's go into the main paragraphs. This is where you introduce yourself and explain why you're applying. The letter starts with, I am writing to formally apply for the prison guard position at the Idaho State Correctional Center. This sentence is direct and clear. It tells the employer exactly what role you're interested in. This clarity is important because many correctional facilities hire multiple positions at once. Next, with over 3 years of experience in security monitoring, inmate supervision, and facility safety procedures, I am confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your correctional team while upholding professionalism and integrity. Here, the applicant highlights experience and confidence. Mentioning real years of experience makes your application solid and believable. You also want to touch on qualities like professionalism and integrity, which are essential in a prison environment where safety and ethics are top priorities. The second paragraph adds more detail about the applicant's background. In my previous role as a security officer at North Valley Detention Services in Boise, I conducted routine inspections, monitored inmate movement, managed conflict de-escalation, and assisted in emergency response situations. This is a very important part because it explains what you actually did in your past role. Employers want to see specific responsibilities, not just general statements. When you describe real duties like inspections, movement monitoring, and conflict de-escalation, it helps the hiring manager imagine you working in their facility. The next sentence says, I am trained in defensive tactics, first aid, and communication protocols, ensuring that safety and order are maintained at all times. Here, the applicant highlights relevant training. In correctional work, training is everything. Employers need to know you can handle emergencies appropriately. Mentioning defensive tactics and communication protocols shows readiness and reliability. Then we move to the third main paragraph. I am known for my strong observation skills, calm approach under pressure, and commitment to following state and federal regulations. This sentence highlights personal strengths. It's important to show the employer what qualities you bring, especially in roles where staying calm, following rules, and being attentive are essential. Next, I highly respect the Idaho State Correctional Center's focus on rehabilitation and secure facility operations, and I would welcome the opportunity to bring my discipline and dedication to your organization. This sentence shows genuine interest in the facility itself. Employers appreciate when applicants acknowledge their mission and values. It shows that you're not just looking for any job, you're specifically interested in their job. The final paragraph says, I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your team. This paragraph is important because it expresses availability, gratitude, and enthusiasm. You always want to end your letter politely and professionally, showing that you are ready for the next steps. Then we close with, Sincerely, Signature, Henry Caldwell. The closing is simple and formal. Sincerely remains one of the best closings for job applications. It's respectful and professional. Now, here are some general tips to keep in mind when writing a prison guard job application letter or any job application letter in a security-related field. First, always emphasize safety, observation skills, and calmness under pressure. These are core traits that employers look for. Second, talk about real experiences and responsibilities, not vague statements. Third, keep your tone professional and confident without sounding exaggerated. And finally, always proofread your letter thoroughly before sending it, especially since correctional facilities expect accuracy and attention to detail. And that's how you write a job application for a prison guard position. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Writing Tutorials, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.